Hello everyone. So today I am again here in my channel. So today I am going to explain about the winds. There are so many winds are there. We know winds. It is the circulation of air. So planetary winds. One of the winds name is planetary winds. Then periodic winds and local winds and atmospheric disturbances. So what is planetary winds? Planetary winds or prevailing winds. Planetary winds is also called prevailing winds. So prevailing winds also it is called trade wind and westerlies and easterlies. Two winds are there. One is westerlies and another one is easterlies. So again there are I am explaining about now. Give the name of the name. Mention the name of the planetary winds and then periodic winds. Also there are periodic winds are there. Among periodic winds what are come? It is like land breeze, then sea breeze and monsoon wind. So these are some of the example of periodic winds. And land breeze, sea breeze and monsoon winds, these are very important and very common to us. Then local winds. We know that local winds are there. What are local winds? Like among local winds, Chinook, then Mistral, then Lu, then Fohen. It's then Chinook. Chinook is a very in Chinook it is very wind is very dry and the skin our skin during the time it's become very rough. And then atmospheric disturbances. What is atmospheric disturbances? Like when tropical we know cyclones, it is the devastating form of winds. So tropical cyclones and temperate cyclones, these are atmospheric disturbances and these are all are winds. Okay, then what is planetary winds? I have given that the prevailing winds, trade wind and westerlies and easterlies. So prevailing winds, trade wind and easterlies and westerlies, these are comes under planetary winds. Okay, then another one is that I am going to explain that what is where Lu, Fohyan, Chinook, these are found. So in USA, eastern side of USA, Fohyan are found, and in the Chinook, already explained that the Chinook are very dry. Then what is trade wind? We know that trade wind it's for geography students, trade wind is very known term. So trade wind, these winds blow from subtropical high pressure towards the equatorial region. So from subtropical region to equatorial region, these trade winds blow, and that create low pressure regularly throughout the year, and it is blow throughout the year, and it brings little rain, not so much rain, but the little it bring little rain, and except on the line of convergence of two trade wind system. So trade wind, it is it create little bit rain. Okay, then what is westerlies? I have given that the westerlies and easterlies term. So westerlies are the westerly wind are those which blow with great frequency. The wind speed is very high, its frequency is very high, and as a result what happened, it's also another name is there, it's horse latitude. So westerly wind are those which blow with great frequency from horse latitude towards the polar region throughout the year. So westerlies blow to polar region, that is the cold region. Okay, then again another one is that the westerlies are stronger in the southern hemisphere. Those regions which are in the southern hemisphere, their westerlies are stronger. Okay, then they are less another term is there, like they are also described as a roaring forties. For its exam purpose, these names are very important, also called roaring forties, then again furious 50s, and again striking, okay, and streaking in the southern hemisphere. If we divide the equator, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere is there. So among these, in the southern hemisphere, westerlies are found. Then another the wind's name, that is the doldrums. Doldrums, its name is very means its name is beautiful. I found it very beautiful. So what is doldrum? Doldrum is known as intratropical convergence zones. Inter and intra, two names are there. So doldrums are known as intertropical convergence zone, and it is in the equatorial belt of low atmosphere. It is found in the low atmosphere region, and where the northeast and the southeast trade wind converge. That is, the north side and the northeast wind and the southeast wind converge. Converge means they join there. Okay, so it's known as doldrum. So in doldrum, what happened? The winds is very stable, and reason of, we also call it as a region of calmness, and also it is a region of calmness and a calm of periodicity. Periodically, it is a calm of periodically broken by the storms and accompanied by heavy rains. In westerlies, rain amount is less, and what happened in doldrum? In doldrum, when the two winds submerge there, so it create heavy rains, and these are means also useful for us. And if if its amount is high, then it's create devastated force. Okay, then what is horse latitude? Horse latitude, they are the subtropical belt of high atmospheric pressure over the oceans. Horse latitudes are found over the oceans. So many oceans are there, okay, in our world. So near 30-degree latitude, horse latitudes are found, and between the region of trade wind, I have given the explanation of trade wind. So building region of trade wind and westerlies, and these are the region of calm in horse 30-degree latitude. In horse latitude region, these are very calm and light variable wind and dry air. When winds become light and their air become dry. Okay, when winds are less amount of water content, then it's become air is very dry. So these are some of the concept of winds: periodic winds, westerlies, horse latitude, doldrums. I have given today overview on this, and these are some of the concepts I have given today. So thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.